Mendel has an educative profile directed to the excellence of human quality science and ambiental education.
It is under inspiration of Prince Gregor Mendel, known as the father of genetics. Our educative community has worked on models of projects in science and ambiental, such as ambiental conscience, use of waste, recycling, reducing, and reusing, and our latest project, the nursery plant.
My name is Maria Isabel Restrepo,
My name is Nathan Jambos,
and welcome to our Liceo Creativo Mendel magazine.
To know about our nursery plant project, it is necessary to understand what a school garden is. So we have brought a special guest with us today. Her name is Nicole Quiñones. How are you, Nicole?
Hi, I'm okay, thank you.
Can you please explain what a school garden is?
A school garden is a terrain of variable measures in which the students shall cultivate and collect vegetables. The main objective is to relate students to processing of nature. Our garden is divided into zones, either by species. Method of planning in addiction. It is self-sustaining because of the processes involved there, such as worm forming and composting, all in order to generate knowledge and awareness of agriculture to students.
Maria, as you also heard, a school garden demands a huge responsibility for our educative community. It also improves the competencies about teachers and students in science and ambiental education and sustainability.
Yes, Nathan, you're right, but let's learn more about this amazing project. For example, do you know what benefits it brings to our institution? If not, let's see what Juan David has for us.
Okay, Nathan and Maria, probably it's not clear at the moment, but here we are with Esteban Franco and Samantha now. They clearly know about what you asked. Could you please let us know the benefits of having a school garden at a school?
Thanks a lot for the invitation. I'm glad to be here. The benefits that it brings to institution are: it is a space in the campus of the school where vegetables and fruits are planted for the later consumption, either in the school cafeteria or at home.
Each territory has its geographical and environmental characteristics, which directly influence the vegetables and fruits that can be eaten depending on the time of the year. To have a space in the school so that the students can experience and know the natural cycle of plants that provide food, promote their learning, and expand their training.
Okay, Juan David, now that is much more clear, thanks for that great report. In order to know how our institutional project is distributed,
Okay, that's right. Let's see what Juan David has for us.
Here I am with Nicolas Gomez to let us know how it is distributed. Nicolas, we're glad to have you with us today.
Thanks for the invitation, man. I feel really grateful of being part of this magazine. As you will say, I'm going to explain how our nursery plants project is distributed. Our school garden is distributed in the following way: aromatic plants, ornamental plants, consumption plants, composting area, nursery plant zone, watering area, and tools room.
Here we have our composting zone. In here, we make clear the goal of managing better the school waste, contributing to decrease the emission of CO2 and other global warming gases.
okay, Nicolas, thanks for your useful information. Now it's time to know about the division and physical organization about the school garden.
That's for Nathan. That's why here are Diego Lopez and Catherine Jimenez. They are specialists on this topic. Thanks, guys, for participating on this magazine project.
Thanks for your invitation. Well, our institutional garden is divided and distributed in the following way. Number 1, seeded, area where the plants reproduce. Number 2, worm cultivation, area where compost is generated through the use of worms. Aromatic plants, plants that are often used in Mediterranean kitchen because of the aromatic and condimentary qualities.
Number 4, ornamental plants. They are commercialized with decorative purposes because of their aesthetic characteristics, like flowers, leaves, smells, peculiar foliage, and fruit. Number 5, nursery. Closed compound cover a line condition to keep a regular temperature to protect the plants from environment and extreme climate. Number 6, composting. Composting area that is obtained from natural decomposition like bacteria, fungi, and worms.
As you can see in the explanation, we got a really nice nursery plan. Thanks for your useful information.
That was a great explanation, but we need to see this project in deep, and because of that we have brought one more special guest. His name is Juan Esteban Munar. He's going to explain to us the types of plants and crops that are going to be in our nursery garden.
Okay, welcome to all of you to our nursery plant project. The different kinds and types of plants we can find here and crops are the ornamental that we use like decoration in our spaces, and the aromatic and consumable plants that are the kind of plants we can use as a food and we can consume.
Okay, now we are here inside our nursery plants project, and it's time to talk about cares in general of a school garden. Do you know something, Nathan?
Maria, actually I know how to take care of a nursery plant, and so it is.
The location. You must choose the best place where the garden will be placed, with enough space and light input at the best times. The soil must contain substrates rich in minerals and organic matter. The weather. These weather conditions like rain, air, snow, sun, and too much cold can damage the harvest. If the climate is contrary to what the garden should have, you can cover it with plastic or cardboard, avoiding touching the plants. Diseases and pests. To know if the plant is sick, should check if there are folded leaves, dark parts with spots, or the appearance of mold. As for the pests, in case of seeing an insect, you should try to eliminate it with your hands or natural insecticides. The prune. This activity consists of removing the tip of the main stem above the four leaves, so that in this way they branch out and increase their production. Maintenance. However small the garden requires a minimum of maintenance. It is necessary to monitor if the soil is wet or dry. If there are weeds, remove them and check if the plant is completely healthy.
Finally, to finish off this magazine show, we have our last guest to explain and show us how our institution has worked on leveling areas according to each one of the areas previously said. His name is Daniel Pineda. Daniel, can you please tell us how we can know about the different types of plants and the names, and how our institution has worked on that?
Sure, our project has a connection with the class of science and biology in our courses. We have to investigate with support of our teacher Joanna to investigate about the scientific name, the common name, and our reference of our different stations. So, they are distributed in the following ways.
Ornamentals: Lis, Anthurium, Orchid, White Carnation, Campanulata, Red Bulb, Swingler, Succulent, Palm, Park Rangers, Beautiful at 11. Vegetables: Coriander, Parsley, Avocado, Plantain, Pineapple, Large Onion, Pajarito Chili, Oregano, Guava, Lemon, Mango, Beans, Peas. Aromatics: Citronella, Anise, Mint, and Peppermint.
Hello again, guys. Here I am with Nicolás.
Sería muchacho ya.
Otra vez. 1, 2, 3.
Aquí tenemos a un dapi salvaje en su hábitat natural.
Los verdes pican más.